back. I am Sonja and I am here to do another unboxing. For anybody who's new to my channel, I am on a journey to get all new makeup and skincare that is vegan and cruelty free. I'm ditching all my old stuff and I'm getting all new stuff. So I'm buying it all slowly, unboxing it all, and I'm going to be doing videos letting you know what I think of everything, trying it on, lots of fun stuff. So join me, keep checking in, like and subscribe, share this with all of your friends, whatever you need to do, but let's just be friends. My next unboxing is Too Faced. So they are not a completely vegan company, but they are cruelty free, and I finally decided to get some stuff from them. This is a super cute box and I'm really loving it. And all the products I put in here I will link in the description below, but why don't you just go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe right now. Just go ahead and do it before you forget. I don't want you to forget, so just do that. So I just opened this up and it's like really cute packaging inside. I love all the pink and black. I love pink and black. That is like so my growing up was pink and black. Like, I don't know, it was just a thing. Maybe because I'm a 70s baby. I don't know. So I didn't get a ton. I wanted to, but I have to pace myself. So I got a couple things here. So the first thing I got is the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. I had to. And look at this packaging. It's so pretty. Pink and gold and black. It is like, seriously, just beautiful. All right, let me open it up. Oh, it has like a little booklet in here. Oh my gosh. They obviously don't know I'm part of the over 40 club. I can't read this without my glasses, and let's just see. No, you may experience slight to intense tingle. Apply only within perimeter of lips. If applied on skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. Keep away from children. Oh my goodness gracious. So that sounds scary. All right, does it say anything else on the bottom? Lip Injection Lip Gloss drenches lips in beautiful plush, multi-dimensional, juicy color combined with our scientifically advanced lip volumizing technology to deliver immediate proven results with a blend of powerful hydrators to help your pout appear fuller, plumper, and smoother from the very first swipe. Okay, so the tingle can last 5 to 10 minutes. So we're not going to apply this right now because I have lipstick on, and I'm not going to swatch it on my hand because it said that it can create redness. So, but look at that packaging. It just looks fancy, doesn't it? I wish all their products were vegan. Oh, look at this wand. This is beautiful. The wand is clear. I love that. Look. Okay, sorry. Man, do you see that? It's such a pretty color. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I wonder if I can put it. Do you think I can put it on top of my lipstick? Oh, I want to. Should I try it? No. I should. I shouldn't. Let's do it. Oh, it's just beautiful. Okay, let's try this. We have to, right? Okay, let's zoom you in. I mean, I think it'll be fine putting it on top of the lipstick, don't you? We'll see. Okay, let's go. It smells really good. Oh, I'm like, I'm not feeling any tingling. And then all of a sudden, all at once, I felt tingling. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me look in this mirror. All I know is I love the color on top of this lipstick. That is so pretty. In case you haven't noticed, I'm kind of a bright lipstick wearing person. Love me some bright lipstick. I'm not afraid of color. Okay, so that's that. Oh, I do feel a tingling. My lips just feel really cool. I don't know if they're gonna plump up or not, but we'll see though, won't we? Okay, then the next thing is the Killer Liner. 36-hour non-flaking, transfer resistant, total control 36 waterproof eyeliner. Oh, I went from not having any new eyeliners to 3 in one day. So far I have a brown one, a black one. Oh, seriously. I love the packaging. Oh, Too Faced, can't you please go completely vegan? And so this, I think, is a brown one. It looks like it. Oh, it glides on so smoothly. Like, it is really smooth. I like it. So that was the packaging for it. So cute. And then there was 2 samples, and I made sure I picked samples that were vegan, and I want to try this. It's the Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation. So I got a little sample. It's not a lot, and I'm not going to use it right now because I'm going to try to see if I can make it work for my whole face. But I've heard great things about the foundation. And then the Too Faced Hangover infused with coconut water refreshing face primer. So that's one thing I don't have yet, is a face primer. So if I like this, when I get some more funds, we might just be buying this face primer. I don't know. This, seriously, this packaging is amazing. Let's zoom in to look at my lips. I don't think they're any plumper. No, they're not plumper, but I love the color. I love the color so much. So anyways, this was really fun. I super enjoyed this box a lot. Even though it only had 2 products, it was super fun. The packaging is like so gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. This gloss color is amazing. I need to check out other glosses to see if they have glosses that aren't lip plumpers that are vegan, because I really love this. It wasn't one of the first companies I bought from because they're not completely vegan, but I wanted to give a couple of their products a try, and I'm really glad I did so far. So we'll see. I hope I like more, because like this was an exciting box. So anyways, the link to description of all the products are below. And please let me know in the comments if there's products you think I should try that are vegan, that you've tried that you love, or if there's something that you haven't tried yet that you want me to try as soon as I can. I would be really happy to. Just got to get those funds going. So to help me, like and subscribe and watch this video and all of my other videos. Share them with everybody, and let's get this channel up and going. Thanks for watching. Bye.